Good day everyone, welcome to our channel, and for today's video, we are presenting our miniature about capacitor. This miniature is a small aluminum electrolytic capacitor. It stores and releases electrical energy, helping electronic devices run smoothly by stabilizing voltage and filtering noise. What are the parts or components of it? The capacitor has the following parts. First is aluminum can. This is the outer cover. Next is the insulating sleeve. It protects from internal damage. And the wound seal is made of anode foil and cathode. The anode stores positive energy, and the cathode stores negative energy. And next is the rubbing seal, which is here. It prevents leaking, and this one is the inner connection. It links parts to the leads, and these two is the terminal leads. It connects to the circuits.
How we do it? The capacitor is made by the rolling two metal foils in the paper soaked in the liquid, the electric light. This roll is put into the metal can, sealed with the rubber and connected to the wires for use. So, how it works? It works by storing electrical energy between two metals surrounding the anode and cathode, separated by the thin layer, the dielectric, and it releases energy when needed to keep the device running smoothly. Why is it relevant in mechanical engineering? Capacitors are used in motors, controllers, and machines. They are help power system work better and are important design and meaning mechanics with electrical knowing how they works help engineers build better system.